Four people killed in deadly crash on PJ Patterson Highway. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Four people, including an 8-year-old boy, were killed in a two-vehicle crash along the PJ Patterson Highway early this morning. The deceased have been identified as 22-year-old Taisha Manhurst, unemployed, 29-year-old Wendy LeMay, unemployed, 27-year-old factory worker Andre McLeish, and 8-year-old Troy Stewart, all of Kingston 7 addresses. A police report previously listed diverted attention and a collision in a previous accident as a possible cause of the crash. A 2022 Mercedes-Benz and a 2002 Toyota Probox were involved in the crash, which occurred just after midnight, according to a police report. McLeish was reportedly driving the Toyota Probox in an easterly direction with two women and a child as passengers when he lost control of the vehicle and hit a median and the vehicle overturned. While the four occupants of the vehicle were in the process of disembarking the overturned car, it was hit by the Mercedes-Benz, severely injuring all four of the victims. All four occupants of the Toyota Probox were rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital, where they were all pronounced dead. The police have warned the driver of the Mercedes-Benz for prosecution. Dr. Lucian Jones, Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, called the news absolutely shocking.
On or about 12:40 a.m. today, March 30, 2025, there was a motor vehicle crash along the PJ Patterson Highway, nearing the exit of Spanish Town. What we understand is that a Probox motor car was headed into the direction of Kingston with about 11 persons on board, to include some children, when the driver somehow lost control and crashed with the median. The vehicle overturned. Whilst the persons were attempting to get out of the vehicle, we understand that a Benz SUV motor car traveled along the said roadway heading into Kingston in the same easterly direction when it crashed with this vehicle. As a result, several persons were hit. We understand that the driver of the Toyota Probox motor car, as well as two female passengers and a young female child, were hit and died as a result of this crash. Several other persons were injured and are in the hospital. The police are conducting further investigations around this crash.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.